Hi, I'm Kelly Wright of America's Hope News, talking about hope for the world today. Just to my left is the ancient city of Akko, right here in Israel. The old city of Akko is a fascinating place dating back to before the time of Christ and was even an instrumental port throughout the Crusades. Then above the hills there is the great city of Haifa, which is the third largest city here in Israel. And there are all kinds of people who come to Israel from around the world to visit and experience the Holy Land. And you meet strangers and foreigners and people trying to get along with each other in a tiny space about the size of New Jersey. But let me tell you something about what the Bible says about getting along with other people. It says, "Now therefore you are no longer strangers and foreigners, but fellow citizens with the saints and members of the household of God, having been built on the foundation of the apostles and prophets, Jesus Christ himself, being the chief cornerstone, in whom the whole building, being fitted together, grows into a holy temple in the Lord, in whom you are also being built together for a dwelling place in God and in his Spirit." What that means to me is that we're all in this together. You and I, in this world together. It's better that we learn how to spread love, freedom, and peace, rather than hatred, prejudice, and violence. I'm Kelly Wright on the Mediterranean Sea, urging you and encouraging you to do your best, live your best, and spread some love, freedom, and peace. Peace out.